Good morning, team. Justin here. Hope you're having a really good day today. The Chase Freedom Flex just announced the new rotating categories for Q3 that we're going to earn 5x back on. The new rotating categories are gas stations, which is really good because gas is really expensive right now, car rental agencies, movie theaters, and live entertainment. Live entertainment is stuff like concerts and sporting events. I think the one that's most appreciated right now is gas stations, just because gas is really expensive all over the country. Now, if you don't know what the Chase Freedom Flex is, it's a beginner's reward card that earns 5 points back on every dollar you spend on different rotating categories. Every quarter they have different categories throughout the year, and on these you're going to earn 5 points back per dollar spent, up to $1,500 in spending. Then 1 point back after that. So one quarter might be something like Amazon and eBay. Next it might be Walmart. We'll have grocery stores. And every quarter it changes. And they just released the new ones, which is gas stations, car rental agencies like Hertz and Avis and Enterprise, and movie theaters and select live entertainment. But there are a few other ways that this card earns points, and that's 5x back on travel purchased through the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal, 3x back at dining at restaurants, 3x back at drugstores, and then 1 point back on everything else. Card has no annual fee, which is really good, and that's what makes this a really good beginner's card, but it does have some foreign transaction fees. If you don't have the Freedom Flex already, now is a good time to get it because you could earn up to 9 points back at gas stations, and I'll show you how. If you sign up for the Chase Freedom Flex now, it has a sign-up bonus of $200 back after spending $500 in the first 3 months, plus 5% back at gas stations, up to $6,000 in the first year. So the way they calculate the points on this is you're going to get 1 base point no matter what. And then for the sign-up bonus, you're going to get 4 points bonus on top of that for the sign-up bonus. So there's your 5% back. And then the same with the rotating category, you're going to get another 4 points bonus. So you're going to get your 1 base point, 4 points back for your sign-up bonus, and then 4 points back for your rotating category, giving you 9x back. You're going to get that 9x back for the first $1,500 in spend, and that's going to give you 13,500 points. But after that, you're still going to have $4,500 getting 5x back, giving you 22,500 points, for a total of 36,000 points from spending at the gas station. Then you're going to get the $200 in bonus, but it's going to come in the form of points as well. So that's going to give you a total of 56,000 Chase Ultimate Reward points. There's a few different ways that you can redeem these points from the Freedom Flex. One of them is you can redeem them for gift cards through the Chase website. That's probably not the best way to do it. You'd also shop on Amazon with points. That's probably also not the best way to do it. Few easy ways is you can do cash back. You could do either a statement credit or even have these points deposited back into your account for 1 cent per point. Now, probably the best way to do it is to have a card like the Chase Sapphire Preferred or the Chase Sapphire Reserve and transfer your points from the Freedom Flex to the Preferred to the upper end premium cards. So that way you can redeem these points for travel or transfer them out to a transfer partner. If you have the Chase Sapphire Preferred, you can redeem them for 1.25 cents. Or if you have the Chase Sapphire Reserve, you can redeem them for travel at 1.5 cents through the Chase portal. If you don't have the Freedom Flex and want to get it for this 9x back at gas stations, you might want to act fast because they had the same kind of thing with grocery stores earlier in the year. But once they announced the rotating categories, they quickly switched from the sign-up bonus being grocery stores the gas stations. And this 9x back was only a short time. But now they got gas stations 9x back. So it could be possible that they'll change the sign-up bonus soon. Either way, the Chase Freedom Flex is a good way to earn 5x back on categories that we're probably already spending on and stack up those Chase Ultimate Reward points so we can travel or do cool things with these points. If you're interested in the card, I do have links down below. Take a look at those. Really appreciate that. Help support the channel. You could also support the channel by giving me a thumbs up. That'd mean a lot to me and it helps with the algorithm. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Then I want you to go have a good day, alright? Justin out.